In a bathrobe. Yeah, before it happens again.
I gotta watch out for that turd.
Turd's a bitch. There you go, baby. Give it a little gas.
I was trying to show him how to wreck, man.
Yeah, Shane showed him that the other week. You ready? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, give it a little gas. Alright, lean it that way so I can put up the kickstand. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
What, man?
It's what now? That's my boy. Keep going, man. Oh, good job. Good job. Oh.